Senator, can we also ask po, Kong Teves, is it okay po?
Tignan natin kung sasagot siya. Sige po.
Hi, sir. Sir, how do you feel now po na after 2 years, finally, you're back in the country po? And how do you feel na, kasi di ba meron kayong pending pa na appeal for asylum, tapos inuwi po kayo, pinayagan po ng Timor-Leste government na makabalik kayo sa Pilipinas despite na pending pa yung appeal?
Yes, because actually, dun kasi, I've been there for 2 years. I know quite how the government there works, no? So, there's this judicial thing, but there is also what they call it something like political, which is the government. Oh. Iba pa yung ano ha? Iba pa yung presidente doon, iba pa yun sa government eh. Government there is different. Their president is something like ano lang, parang king ba, para siyang figurehead, yes. So there are several factors there which are distinct and separate, but as to who is more powerful, and I cannot say anymore, no? Because sa totoo lang, I just won with finality my case in extradition, but they used another thing about expulsion, which technically I still had a few days to reply, but hindi ko alam ano nangyari. So, sige na lang, tapos na yun. I mean, useless discussing things, I mean, over spilled milk, no? But sa totoo lang, of course, malungkot ako dahil siyempre makukulong ako na habang makukulong ako. So, kahit hindi pa, di ba, dito kasi makukulong ka kahit hindi ka pa convicted, no? But may mga ano naman yun, si Attorney Ferdy na bahala. But what I'm saying, on the other hand, I'm also glad that I haven't seen my mother for 2 years. My father died last December. Hindi na ako nakauwi. So it was quite painful. And also, at least, umaano na rin. Matapos na rin. Dahil kahit nung nandun ako, inisip ko, kung hindi man ako umuwi, haharapin, kailangan pa rin ito matapos eh. Ito lang sana yung request ko sa sa korte na sana mabilis yung kaso. Dahil sa totoo lang, kung tatrabahoin talaga yung kaso, sandali lang sandali lang naman sandali lang matapos kung ano. So, yun lang yung Anyway, I believe I trust my lawyers very well, and I know my conscience is clear. So, ang sa akin lang, sana lang mabilis yung proseso para matapos na. Di ba? Matapos na siya. Para tapos na. Thank you.
Hi sir, good morning. I am Camille Samonte from TV5. Question po kay Mr. Teves. Sir, just want to get your reaction dun sa naging statement ng government ng Timor-Leste. They were saying that one of the reasons why they decided to deport you is because of the implication of the national security ng bansa nila. Kung baga sinasabi nila, yung pananatili mo doon ay nakaka-apekto sa kanilang security?
Siguro si Attorney Topacio na lang ang mas competent sumagot niyan. Attorney Topacio, sir?
One ano lang.
Yes, okay.
Ganito lang yon. Kung sino man nagsabi nun, everyone in this world are entitled to their own perceptions. Yun lang.
Thank you. Counsel, may answer, please.
I affirm the statement of my client. Thank you.
Okay, last na lang po from my end. Sir Teves, you know na darating din naman yung punto na haharapin mo rin itong mga kaso. Why did it take you so long to stay in Timor-Leste? Bakit hindi na lang po natin hinarap ito sa korte?
A lot of you here know me ever since my days in Congress. I'm a very honest and sincere person. I will be very consistent. Even our pleadings in court, I had not had, even now, still have, but of course, here I feel safer with the NBI because pasalamat ako kay Direktor at sa lahat ng staff ng NBI na maganda yung pagtrato nila sa akin mula nung pagkuha sa akin hanggang ngayon. So, my concern is really my life, my security.
Handa na po kayong harapin si Mayor Janice Digamo?
Wala naman problema. I mean, I can face anybody in this world.
Thank you po.
Problem.
Thank you. Kindly address your questions to the good counsel. Next.
Good morning po. Kay Attorney Topacio po. Attorney, now that meron na pong movement itong ating kaso, ano na po yung mga next steps po natin and yung mga plano pa po natin na gagawin?
Mike, sir.
Well, I cannot comment in detail on that because ngayon pong nasa territorial jurisdiction na ng Pilipinas si Ginoong Teves at may kaso po, maraming kaso katulad naman po ng nabanggit ng ating napakagandang Chief of Staff ng NBI, that sub judice rule now applies. Suffice it to state that the lawyers who comprise the team to defend Mr. Teves will do everything under the law to give him our best defense. Doon na lang po